You wanted the smell of clean laundry, not essence of exhaust. So why do clothes smell burnt after coming out of the dryer? Let's go over the most common causes and how to fix them. Cause 1. Lint Build-Up. Lint is highly flammable and collects in your dryer with every load. If it's not cleaned out, hot air pushes it around until it gets stuck inside the machine. When it reaches the heating element, it burns and creates a strong burning smell. To fix this, clean the lint filter after every use. For a deeper clean, remove the back panel of the dryer and vacuum out any trapped lint. Cause 2. Malfunctioning Thermostat. The thermostat controls the temperature inside your dryer. If the thermostat fails, the machine can overheat, which may cause electrical components to burn. A clear sign of this problem is the smell of burning plastic or wires. If this happens, stop using the dryer immediately. Call an engineer to inspect it and replace the faulty thermostat if necessary. Cause 3. Worn-out parts. Over time, parts inside your dryer will wear down. The belt that turns the drum can slip and start rubbing against other components. This friction can cause a burning rubber smell that transfers to your laundry. The motor can also wear out and begin overheating, which may cause a smoky smell. If you notice a burning smell coming from the dryer, the belt or motor may need replacing. You might be able to replace a worn-out belt yourself, but a failing motor should be replaced by a professional. If the repair is too expensive, buying a new dryer may be the better option. Cause 4. Blocked vents. Your dryer needs proper airflow to function correctly. If lint, dryer sheets or other debris clog the vents, hot air gets trapped inside the machine. This leads to overheating, which can cause a burnt smell to transfer onto your clothes. To prevent this, clean the vents regularly and remove any obstructions. Cause 5. Stains on clothes. Sometimes the dryer is not the problem. Certain substances like gasoline, paint thinner and grease don't always wash out completely. When exposed to heat, these substances release a strong burnt smell. To avoid this, pre-treat stained clothes before washing them. If an item of clothing has been in contact with flammable products, always air dry it instead of using a dryer. Cause 6. A new dryer. If you just bought a new dryer, it may have a temporary burnt smell. This happens because new parts need time to burn off any factory residue. The smell should go away after a few cycles. If the smell continues or you see smoke, contact the manufacturer. If you've checked everything and your dryer still smells like burning, stop using it immediately. Unplug the machine and call an engineer for an inspection. A burning smell is a warning sign, and ignoring it could lead to serious damage or even a fire hazard. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.